Well, I've waited for the pollen to clear up before I took the cover off of the swimming pool. And now we've been in a monsoon rain for the last several days. So it'll be a late opening of the pool for me, unfortunately.
Good morning.
Good morning. Jerry and Mel here. Well, today is get the pool going day. We had a couple of issues. First off, yesterday, we were able to get the pool cover off in a breeze. You know, it's taken us a week to get to that point though because of all the rain we've had. And let me show you the water. All right, the water is looking good. We're putting some in right now. We've got our Wybot robot vacuum going down there. So the water is not too bad. Today we're going to be basically just doing the same cleaning steps that we always do, along with taking the brush and brushing up around the steps up here and along the sides.
And Jerry, I'll get him to put a link to the Wybot in the description, because that piece of equipment has been a lifesaver for us with this pool.
All right, but as always, you know, it doesn't come easy, right? We got everything going yesterday, turned on the pump and it was froze up. This pump that we have is a Hayward pool pump, but I'm gonna tell you, the thing's probably 25 years old and it was froze up. Me and Tyler took it apart and got it unfroze, but if you hear that in the background, you'll see what I'm talking about, and I'll go back here so you can hear it a little better. That pool pump's fried. I just decided, let's just go ahead and run it till it dies. I've already called my pool man. He's gonna get us a new one out here next week, but
because that's not really the sound you want to have when you're out relaxing by the pool.
We've caught ourselves yelling just to be able to talk over that noise. Anyway, so let's so I'll have a new pool pump in next week, and those things aren't cheap.
But in the meantime, we've still got things we got to get done.
Yep. So let's get to doing a few brushing. Mel's going to start brushing the pool, and I'm going to go around the pool where we had stakes in the ground for this pool cover and start taking those up. All right, when opening up the pool, one of the first things I do is we take this brush and we go around the sides like this. I just go straight up and down. Once I get an area done, then I just start pushing, because what I want to do, and it may be the wrong way to do it, but what I want to do is try to get as much of this down in the deep end towards that main drain as I can and get it filtered out. So Mel's going to continue this for us, and then we'll go from there. All right, I'm gonna put some of this pool clarifier in there. This pool holds about 35,000 gallons. So that's about 7 ounces of this. So I'm gonna go out to the R where it says Clorox. Don't tell me I already know this deck is dirty. Well, all right, it's looking good for the first day out here. My plan had been to paint all of this whole deck. But you know, when you get prostatitis and you have a jagged arrowhead shaped kidney stone, it kind of puts you down. But the main thing is this water. It's really starting to clear up. Another day or two, it'll be good and ready. All right, so we're going to end day one out here. I didn't record the very first day when we took the cover off. I've got that in another video, but let's see how this keeps going. You know, hopefully this water will be crystal clear.
So far, so good.
Yep. That's the name of the playlist, Crystal Clear, so I've got to come through, right?
Yes.
All right. All right, thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you see, hit the like button. Hype it if you can.
Subscribe to our channel.
Yep, and we'll see you next time on Living Life
with Jerry and Mel.
Bye-bye.